Hello, welcome to Muckman Movies. This is an impromptu unboxing, live unboxing. So stay tuned after this. Yeah, so I ordered this pre-order with a few other films in here to save on delivery. I ordered this probably 3 or 4 months ago. Super excited to open this. So without further ado, let's crack this open. This has come all the way from Australia, courtesy of Umbrella Entertainment. So some of you might know what is in here. So crack this open. I'll save that till last. Let's put that down the side because it's not a film. Right, here we go. So, and I'll save the film that prompted me to order all these other films last. So, as usual, might need those scissors again. They always do a good job at packaging. The umbrella. Blimey. Right, that's the first one open. So this is a film called The Thicket, and that's starring Peter Dinklage and Juliette Lewis as well. So I put this in the order just to increase the spend and save on the delivery, because the delivery from Australia is quite expensive. I think I might have been hit by a customs charge though, so we'll see. But yeah, The Thicket sounds interesting. It's like a western, some sort of revenge western. So that's The Thicket. Next up is a big box set of 8 Thai horror films, and that is the Thai Horror Collection. And this has got, on disc 1, Dorm and Alone. Disc 2 is Phobia and Phobia 2. So Phobia must be the first film. Disc 3, Coming Soon and Larderland. Disc 4 is Countdown and The Promise. So let's get this open. Let's see what's inside. Very carefully. Let's get that cellophane off. So it's a really nice box set. And I'd seen this previously and not jumped on it, but because I was placing quite a big order, I thought I would jump on it this time. So you got, I think there's 2 discs. 2 discs in each Amaray case with 4 films. There's a poster in there. All these are Blu-ray. Alright, if I could shut it. This is the second Amaray with 4 films. And another poster with 2 discs. I love Asian horror. Doesn't matter which country from Asia they come from. I love Thai horror. I love Japanese horror. I love Chinese horror. So I'm sure this will be a good addition to my collection. This has got a really nice hardbound book with lots of essays and images in colour. Some nice artwork. It's a really nice package, actually. So that's the Thai horror collection in a beautiful box set. I'm sure I will get to those in October. Next, right, I think I know what these are. So these films I ordered last year. I ordered the limited editions, but they cocked up on my order because I'd added the Triangle limited edition to my order, which sort of delayed my order getting to me. And in the process of me waiting, they'd moved warehouses, and basically they sold out two of the films in my order by mistake. So I ended up not getting them. I ended up getting a free film out of them, and I got the two films refunded, and I got a free film. So it was still good customer service, but yeah, they made an error. But I managed to pick up the standard versions of Primevals, which is like a modern day Ray Harryhausen monster flick. I can't wait to watch this. It looks, if you watch the trailer on YouTube, it looks fantastic. So that's Primevals. These are the standard editions, unfortunately. And then A Lizard in a Woman's Skin by Lucio Fulci. So I was really eager to see this as well. And try not to get the glare from the window. So that's the two standard editions of the films I ordered last year, which never got to me. Right, so this is the reason why I placed the order. And I will take the cellophane off this so I can show you inside as well. I've been wanting someone to release this for years on Blu-ray, and I think this is actually 4K. And it is the special edition of Salute of the Jugger by David Webb Peoples, who he was involved with the writing of Blade Runner, 12 Monkeys. He wrote Unforgiven, the Oscar-winning Unforgiven. So this director, he's got a really good pedigree in writing films. And this is the only feature-length film he ever directed. But I love this film. I used to watch it on repeat all the time on my VHS copy. As you can see, this is what comes in the box set. It's quite a big, chunky box. Nice hard box, should I say. So I'll just put that to one side. And this is the slip cover with a bit of spot gloss, as you can see. Some really nice original artwork. This reminds me of Frank Miller's graphic novel, the artwork does. It reminds me of Hard Boiled. There's a brilliant graphic novel by Frank Miller called Hard Boiled, and it's brilliant, and it's got that style. And then it is the 4K with a Blu-ray. So in America, I think they call it Blood of the Heroes or something like that. And then it comes with a poster. There's the poster with the artwork from the slip by the looks of it. And you've got the 4K and the Blu-ray. So that's the film. Like I say, absolutely loved this film. Almost wore it out. So then you get a definitive play guide for juggers. So this is actually created by the writer himself, by the looks of it. So it shows you all the weapons that they use in the game. It's like a dystopian science fiction film. But it's a bit like, I'd compare it with like Rollerball. but much more dystopian. So they go around playing other villages, and they try and get this dog skull over a spike. And if they manage to do that, then they win the game. And then all the rewards and the women, and so that's how they make a living. But they try to get to the A League, which is like all the top tier juggers. It's brilliant. It's got Rutger Hauer in it, Joan Chen, Delroy Lindo, Vincent D'Onofrio. It's a brilliant film. So if you've not seen it or never heard of it, I'd recommend you try and pick up a copy of this, even if it's just the standard copy. But I've been crying out for a Blu-ray release of this for a long, long time. And then another hardbound book. So they've really gone to work on this release. There's Rutger Hauer there. They've given it the full treatment. You've even got storyboards in here. Like I say, when I was growing up, because this came out in, I think it was 88, 89. In the early 90s, I was just constantly watching this film. I just love it. So that's the films and the booklet. And then something that fell on the floor. I went the whole hog because I do love this film. Can't beat Rutger Hauer films. I just love Rutger Hauer. Ended up buying the t-shirt as well. So here's the t-shirt. Oh wow, I didn't realise what was on the back. So there's Salute of the Jugger. Then on the back, wow, I mean, I love that. Feel it's good quality as well. It feels pretty heavy. Might be a bit big though. Maybe not. So there you have it. That is my Umbrella unboxing with Salute of the Jugger. Super stoked to finally have a version, a HD version of this film. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Leave some comments down below if there's anything that piques your fancy. If you've got any comments or memories of Salute of the Jugger like I do, leave comments below. Give me a like and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your evening. Goodbye.